You're playing an old game.
USA.
So many moves. What happened to Evan? He was sleeping in here and he didn't even drink the last Gatorade and he just left the last Gatorade and I just took it.
You win.
For the next one, but it's a different. It's the other person. You won again.
You win.
You just won an old game. I was gonna beat you. If he hits the floor like that, then he goes to the floor like this, and it's like that. He did that laying down again. He's dead. That's where the monster is. And he might also lose.
You win.
Go and beat it up. That if you look.
You win.
That's where D-Day lives. He fights someone.
No, no, no.
this bad. Like the one by pushing back so you can do it. Just you let him win?
You lose.
Oh, here goes round 3. Whoever wins this one is the winner champion. And he might win, but he won't win. He lost a lot of his health. He's gonna win.
You win.
His arch No way, he's fighting. He's gonna fight his arch nemesis. Wait, that's his arch nemesis, right? Yeah, right?
They have the same moves.
Yeah, so. Yeah, they do the same moves. That's his arch nemesis. But they're not the same fighters.
You win.
He was falling for kind of. Why is your nemesis beating you? You let him win?
You lose.
He beat me up.
Goes round 3. Whoever wins is the champion. Goes round 3. But why you letting him beat you?
I'm blocking, but he's getting to me before I block.
Why you guys doing the same thing? Why is he jumping? Dude, this is your chance. Yeah. You won.
You
You
win.
pushed him back. But he's better than you. You lost health and he lost more health than you. This is a very old game, right?
You win.
We haven't even played this game before. It's not so bad. Now he lost. Now he did well. He lost health, but now he lost more health than him because of the